Setting up the m5stack development environment. Attach the m5stack device to your computer. Your computer will detect that a new device is connected to it. And, sometimes, it would recognize the device connected to it as a serial port. Sometimes, it is unsure what the device is. If this is the case, you will need to install a driver. If your computer can recognize the m5stack, you can skip the following session on installing the driver. The following session explains how to install the driver. You would need a USB serial port driver. You can find the related driver from the internet. Download the driver files and install the driver. Your computer would now be able to detect the m5stack connected to it. You can check the status of the connected device using Device Manager app. Your computer is now properly connected to the m5stack. The following session will explain how to install the m5stack firmware. Similarly, search for the m5stack burner files in the internet. Download the files and install the m5stack burner. Run the burner app. The firmware will be burned into the m5stack. After burning is complete, your m5stack is ready for development use. You will need to write codes for the m5stack on your computer. You will need an IDE to do so. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. The IDE is called UI Flow. There are two versions of UI Flow which you can use. There is a UI Flow web version. You use this version by launching a web browser on your computer. Enter the web address of the UI Flow web version. You now can use the UI Flow IDE as if it is installed on your computer. You can start typing your codes. The second version is the desktop version. You download the UI Flow desktop files and then install it on your computer. Execute the UI Flow desktop app. The app runs, and you can start typing your codes. Internet connection is not needed when running the desktop version. That's all. You have completed setting up the development environment.